Learn what is in Spanish.
¿Qué es?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today, you'll master the question, what is? In Spanish, that's.
¿Qué es?
We'll keep it fun, fast, and a little silly so it sticks. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for definitions in Spanish. Ready to sound curious and clever? Your mission. Say.
¿Qué es?
Naturally, know when to use it with ser and not mix it up with cousins like
¿Quién es?
or.
¿Cuál es?
Mini lesson. Form and use. Let's make it crystal clear in under a minute. Core phrase.
¿Qué es?
Equals what is. Use it when you want a definition. Verb note. It pairs with ser, to be, for identity, definitions, not estar. Compare.
¿Quién es?
Equals, who is, a person. Compare.
¿Dónde está?
Equals, where is, location, often with estar. Plural.
¿Qué son?
Equals, what are. Description, adjectives.
¿Cómo es?
Equals, what's it like, how is it? False friend alert, don't confuse.
¿Qué es?
What is, with.
¿Cuál es?
Which one? Rhythm drill. Clap it in so your mouth remembers before your brain overthinks. Clap, clap.
¿Qué es?
Clap, clap.
¿Qué es?
Ser. Whisper it.
¿Qué es?
Say it like a game show host.
¿Qué es?
Quick dialogues. You jump into real moments, I'll cue you when to ask the magic question. Classroom. The teacher writes on the board. You ask.
¿Qué es?
Ser. Museum. You point at a strange tool. You.
¿Qué es?
Guide. It's a compass. Friends. A. I found a strange tool. B.
¿Qué es?
A. It's for maps. Polite wrap up. You ask, then say.
Gracias.
From a study guide.
Cuando no entiendo, pregunto. ¿Qué es? Ser.
Memory boosts. Let's glue it to your brain with playful tricks. Rhyme. If you can't guess, just address.
¿Qué es?
Gesture. Tilt your head, open your palm, ask.
¿Qué es?
Movement. Take one small step forward as you say.
¿Qué es?
Loci. Picture your front door with a sticky note.
¿Qué es?
Humor. A parrot learns one line.
¿Qué es?
And becomes a philosophy professor. Sound loop. Ta-ta.
¿Qué es?
Ta-ta.
¿Qué es?
Culture tip. A tiny peek into Spanish-speaking culture helps you remember. On Spanish quiz shows, the host often repeats.
¿Qué es?
Before each clue, dramatic pause included. Hear that cadence in your head when you ask for definitions with ser.
¿Qué es?
Contrast corner. Nail the difference like a pro. Definition.
¿Qué es un mapa?
Equals what is a map. Identity, definition, ser. Which one?
¿Cuál es tu mapa?
Equals which is your map. Choice from a set. Location.
¿Dónde está el mapa?
Equals where is the map. Location, often, estar. Quiz time. You answer out loud, I'll reveal after a pause. 1. Translate to Spanish. What is? Answer.
¿Qué es?
2. True or false.
¿Qué es?
Means, who is. Answer. False, that's.
¿Quién es?
3. Fill the blank.
Barra baja es.
Answer.
¿Qué es?
4. Rapid fire. Say it fast. Go. Answer.
¿Qué es?
Your micro challenge. Time to play in the wild. Look around you and pick 3 objects. For each one, ask.
¿Qué es?
Then thank yourself with.
Gracias.
Bonus combo. Ask, then follow up with a description using
¿Cómo es?
thanks and next steps. You nailed it, curiosity unlocked. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
¿Qué es?
All day to make it automatic, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs from Synapse Lingo. Hasta pronto, and happy learning.